Enchanting a fishing rod in Minecraft allows you to improve your fishing experience by adding useful enchantments that enhance the rod's performance. To begin, you're going to need an enchantment table, which you can craft with obsidian, diamonds, and bookshelves. Enchanting the rod at the table requires experience levels which can be gathered by performing activities like mining, smelting, or defeating mobs. Now, when you interact with the enchantment table, which you should never do in real life, Jesus is Lord, you can place your fishing rod into the enchantment slot. The enchantments are available the enchantments available are determined by the number of bookshelves around the table. Some of the enchantments can be applied to a fishing rod, including lure, which reduces the wait time for fish to bite, and unbreaking, which makes the rod last longer before it breaks. Looting and mending are also beneficial, as they increase the chances of catching rare items or repair the rod using collected experience. An alternative method in using is the anvil. So with an anvil, you can combine your fishing rod and an enchanted book that contains the desired enchantment. This method gives you more control over which enchantment you apply, as you can specifically choose the enchantments you have collected on books. Remember to manage your resources and experience wisely to maximize the benefits of enchanting your fishing rod.